Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select Ultra Res here. So like with this mode you can take photos in ultra high resolution. So basically like you have only two resolutions on this device. You have just normal resolution and this ultra high resolution. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.